Well, it was really a tough game, no? Especially because Meralco is a very good defensive team, and they made it difficult for us to really execute our offense. So yun yung challenge namin, how we can stay disciplined with our execution. They do a lot of things that take you out of the execution. But again, I think the players really, yung grit lang nila talaga ang panalo dito. And also, we challenged them because last game against them without an import, we got clobbered in the boards. No? So I think now we did a better job against Meralco in getting rebounds. But it's going to be tougher. They know what we're doing, very familiar, and their import looks like he's already recovered from the back injury. Gave us a lot of problems, and the guards got into the paint, so we still have a lot to work on defensively. Sorry kasi Coach Tim, wala lang voice, that's why I'm here.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Scotty, conference high, 23 points, and 3 out of your 4 highest scoring games kalaban Meralco. Is there anything particular against Meralco na parang mas maganda yung prefer yung scoring game?
First and foremost, all glory to God sa panalong ito. And so lang i-greet also yung wife ko, family ko, yung mga anak ko. And yun, I think yung familiarity and nagkataon lang din siguro na tuwing playoffs, no, kami nagtatapat against Meralco, and we know grabe yung defensive team nila, no. And coming to this game, sabi nga ni Coach Richard, we have to battle their physicality, no. Kaya yun, basta playoffs lang as a veteran, kailangan ko lang din maging ready and step up yung mga elimination game coming sa playoffs.
Tapos bakit hindi lang yung offense mo yung maganda ngayong game, and it was an all-around game for you, and every time na nakukuha ka ng rebound or there's a hustle play for you, na-excite sisigaw yung crowd, is this a factor or does it motivate you to grab another rebound because again, yung nagagawa ng crowd?
Overall naman, yun lang talaga yung gusto ko maging aggressive both ends, no, offense and defense. But nagkataon din talaga na nasushoot yung mga tira ko, and credit din sa mga teammate ko na nahanap ako. We moved the ball well. I think 5 guys sa amin na nasa double figures. So I think malaking bagay sa amin yun. Sign sa amin yun na talaga yung bola gumagalaw sa offense namin. And yun.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Scotty, 33 points and 24 steals. All around numbers great. Scotty, usually po kayo talaga para sa laro na mas noting pa rin.
Yun, as a veteran, sabi ko kanina, kailangan ko mag-step up, no, during playoff time, kasi alam natin kung gaano kahirap manalo dito sa playoff. Every team, sobrang hirap kahit sino makatapat namin. So, yun lang, I think, not just me, no, lahat naman kami, yung veterano, magaganda yung nilaro kasi alam namin kung ano yung anong stake ng game na to, o kung saan kami dadalhin, no, para makarating sa finals. And ito yung start, no?
Scotty, lagi kayo nagkalaban ng Meralco sa playoffs. Pero meron bang hindi pa kayo bagay ba na hindi pa kayo nag-figure out sa Meralco all these playoff matchups na nangyari sa inyo?
Sabi mo nga, lagi kami, so nagkakaamuyan na talaga, medyo alam na namin yung players' tendencies, team tendencies. I think it's up na lang sa mga sa amin, no, kung paano namin i-execute lahat ng game plan, kasi andyan naman na yung lahat, so yun na lang yung key kung paano namin i-execute hard, especially coming sa defense ng Meralco na sobrang aggressive and physical.
Last game of your round was, against the same team, and most of the players were low management or dealing with the last game. How big was that, considering na was there any concern coaching staff rin na would there positive concern?
think that was huge because we were able to rest yung mga starters namin, yung main guys, and we were able to prepare well. Na-balance namin yung rest at saka preparation for them because we expect this series, of course, against Meralco to go 3 games. I mean, yun ang lagi namin expectation. Of course, if we can win the next game, then good. But again, you're talking about playing every other day. So, crucial yun. And then, we will take whatever advantage we can get against Meralco. As sinabi nga ni Scotty, they're a very physical team. They're very disciplined also in their execution. So, and it's nakita nyo naman, a very emotional game also from both teams. Lahat talaga gusto manalo. So, kailangan talaga yung rest is as important as the preparation on the court.
For you, Scott, for the same question, how was that last game? Madami kang games to rest, and the show big, kasi very performance of the league.
Yun, naging key din sa amin yun. Like Coach Richard said, nakapagpahinga kami, and malaking bagay yung rest sa amin, no, coming sa especially playoff time, yung game every other day. So, yun nga, yung crucial sa amin yung pahinga, saka nakakatulog ng maayos.
And that ends our post